It is called as a constant function. Called as a constant function. Now the next type of whenever you take into account the polynomial function. This is very simple here. The third one is polynomial. Polynomial function is nothing but you are going to have the f of x is equals to a polynomial. That may be x square, that may be x cube, that may be anything. A polynomial, if it is given, that is called as a polynomial function. It is very clear here. The next thing is rational function. Rational function is nothing but the fourth one is rational function. A function will be in the form of the f of x by g of x. It is given that g of x should not be equals to 0. If g of x is not equals to 0, then it is called as a this type of the function. That means if it is given to you x plus 1 by x cube like this, that type of the functions are called as a rational functions. So depending upon the each function, these graphs whenever you see this is not a common graph, not in a one way, because one function will be one way. So each function graph will be in a each different way. Okay. Is it visible to you now? So this is the next thing is the very important thing is modular function. And what is modular? Till now most of the students know about it modulus. You know about it the modulus. What do you mean by modulus? Okay. Modulus is nothing but this you know. Modulus of -2 if it is taken 2. Modulus of 3 if it is taken it is 3. Modulus of -5 if it is taken 5. Modulus of 0 is nothing but 0. Between the two lines it will be written. Between the two lines it will be written. So now if you take into consider these things, actually the function is also will be written like that only, but it will be written in another way. F of x is equals to mod x for all x belongs to the real number. Okay, for all x belongs to the real number. So this function is called as a modulus function, and you can write this function in another way also, as a split function. F of x is equals to x if x is greater than or equals to 0. This is equals to minus x if x is less than 0. This is also called as a modulus function. This is also called as modulus function. F of x is equals to x. See here, x is greater than or equal to 0. 0 if you take 0, 1 if you take 1, 1.5 if you take 1.5 in the modulus. But if x is less than 0, negative here, you may get a doubt. Most of the students will get confused. Sir, modulus, actually here you can write mod x or f of x is equals to mod x. Mod x means negative. Can you give me the answer that minus x is positive or negative? My question, you forget it. Minus x is positive or negative? Can you hear me? Is it audible to you? Hello? Anyone please reply. Is it audible or not? Hello? Sir, the board is not visible. If the board is not visible, just do one here. I will try to present it. Board is not visible to all. Board is not visible.
Yes, sir.
Is it audible?
So your voice is continuously cracking.
Is it audible?
Yes, sir, slightly audible, sir. But
Huh? See here, modulus function. Now we are going to see here modulus function. Is it visible to you now?
Yes, sir.
So modulus
sir.
f of x is equals to, it is written as a usually mod x, but this can also be written in another way. X, if x is greater than or equals to 0, or it is minus x if x is less than 0. Okay, so my question is that now minus x is positive or negative? You tell me minus x is positive or negative?
So negative.
It is negative. This is.
X is negative.
I say whatever the questions I am asking, all will be a little bit in a different way, not in a general way. Whenever you consider. Tell me. Cannot say. Cannot be said. This is positive if x is negative. If I take in the place of x, if I take minus 2, minus of minus 2, वो ये number positive होता है minus x. So that's why here x less than 0 whenever it is there, minus x, it is positive. Most of the students will get confused, sir, modulus x means negative नहीं होना है ना, always positive होना है ना. ये positive ही है. Who said it is negative? This is negative. It's not negative because x is negative. X negative होता है तो minus x positive होता है. Is it clear? So that's why
Yes, sir.
whenever you take into consider this minus x, if I am asking whether it is positive or negative, because sir it is variable is there. So when a variable is there, we cannot say it is positive or negative. So that's why here why I am saying that means most of the students will get a doubt afterwards that sir ये negative है ना, but कभी भी हम मॉड्यूलस ले लिया तो मॉड्यूलस ऑफ 3 बोले तो 3 लिखते हैं, मॉड्यूलस ऑफ -5 बोले तो +5 लिखते हैं, कभी भी पॉजिटिव आते हैं, इधर नेगेटिव आया. Most of the students will get this type of the doubt. So that's why I raised that this minus x is not negative, it is positive. Why? Because x is, I have given that x is less than 0. Okay, is it clear? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Huh? So now if you
Yes, sir.
yes, now let us see the graph of the modulus function. How the graph of the modulus function? Graph of modulus function. So how the graph of the modulus function will be there? Let us see. Okay. So whenever you see the graph of this modulus function will be like this. See here, it is an easy task field. If you take like this. Why? Because you see here if you take -1, suppose +1, here if it is there -1, +1 के लिए whatever you will get 1, -1 के लिए भी 1 आएगा, 0.5 के लिए भी 0.5 आएगा, -0.5 के लिए भी -0.5 आएगा. Suppose if you take here 10 is there, for the 10 you will get 10, positive 10. And see here actually this is a part of y is equals to x. Y is equals to x. This line is y is equals to here to here if you take into consider. But here for the negative values also positive you are getting. For negative also negative if you get, it is like this. But for negative values we are getting positive, then it is going to. So this is the graph of the modulus function. So this is modulus function. Okay, did you understand? The next function is sinum function. Is it audible to you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
I am getting doubt that whether I am in or I am not in. क्लास में है और नहीं होता है, थोड़ा आप लोग देते रहो. ये प्रेजेंटेशन में यही प्रॉब्लम है. f of x is equals to, if you take here 1 if x is greater than 0, and it is 0 if x is equals to 0. It is -1 if x is less than 0. Then this function is called as the sinum. Sinus, just simple है. SI GN, sine, SI sine of function, sine. Because simply x greater than 0 means what is the sign, means positive or negative? Positive. So 1. X less than 0 is nothing but negative. So minus 1. X 0 is nothing but it is neither positive nor negative, 0. So 0. So that's why this function is called as a sine of function. Okay. So and the graph of this function whenever you take into consider. Okay. Graph of the sine of function. Graph. So graph of the sine of function whenever you take into consider here. For all these positive values, for the 0 it is 0. So here you need to mark one point. Compulsory you have to mark it, because for the 0 it is 0. For the 0 it is 0, but greater than 0 whatever you take, it is 1. So that is nothing but here if you take the point 1, here you need to draw the one circle like this, because and here onwards you need to draw the line, straight line, because this is 1. Mark whenever you mark it. And here if you take here the point as a minus 1 at this place, and this side will be there. This is the graph of the sine of function. And here see this graph is not a continuous. See here ये split हो गया. From the left hand side to all the numbers will be there. This part will be there. Then after here one part will be there, and then after here to here it is there. This is the graph of the function, complete function. Did you get my point? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next graph is next function is greatest integer function. This is very, very important. Greatest integer function. So what is meant by greatest integer function? I'll explain. F of x is equals to, it will be written as, in the box it will be written mod x, greatest integer function. We read this as a greatest integer function only. We have to read it as a greatest integer function. Okay. So now f of x is equals to greatest integer. What is meaning of this? Where this is greatest integer less than or, let us take the example. In the bracket, if I write 2.5, 2.5 numbers say less than, what are the integers? Number line you take into consider. 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2.5 A. This is 2.5. 2.5 less than, what are the integers are there? 2 is the one integer, 1 is the integer. In all these integers, which is the greatest one? 2. So this value is equals to 2. Here the answer you are going to get only the integer. Here the answer you are going to get. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me? Huh? It is audible, na? Okay. Now greatest integer function. So now here if you take here minus 2.5, most of the students will get confused that minus 2 likta. No. If you see here minus 1 will be there, here minus 2 will be there, here minus 3 will be there. Minus 2.5 is this one. Is still a minus 2.5. This one, what are the integers are there? Minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, like that all the integers. Okay, these are all the integers. In all these integers, this is correct one. So the answer is minus 3. Did you get my point? So whenever you take into consider negative value, 2 to take, it is equals to minus 3. If it is positive 2.5, if it is taken 2. Don't blindly remember. Every time you need to get in your mind this number line. The number line, then only you can understand the greatest integer function. Can you give me the answers of some other functions I am going to give? 23.56. So what is the answer for this? In the brackets, if it is written to you like this, greatest integer function. Okay. In the brackets, if it is written to you 23.56. Tell me, what is the answer for this? Anyone? Please tell me, anyone.
Sir, 23.
Is it audible to you now? Hello?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now 23.56, whenever it is written in the brackets like this, means greatest integer value of the greatest integer function of the 23.56. Can you give the answer?
Sir, are you
Anyone?
presenting this? Sir, are you presenting
Not
the
presenting.
screen, sir?
Oh,
Oh,
sorry.
okay, sir.
आया स्क्रीन प्रेजेंटेशन आया नहीं?
हाँ सर आया
हाँ.
प्रेजेंटेशन तो
Not visible to you.
yes sir, no, not visible sir.
Now the at least board is visible.
सर आपका चेहरा आ रहा है.
अभी board is visible.
yes sir, board is visible sir.
Now the board is visible.
yes sir, board is visible sir.
Yeah.
yes sir.
What happening? I am not understanding. Sometimes it is done, sometimes. Okay, let us see. Don't worry. So greatest integer function में in that I am asking the question to you that 23.56 if I read right here. What is its value?
So 23.
Yes, it is 23. Minus 0.5 greatest integer value. Minus 0.5. Huh?
-1 sir.
Yes, this value is minus
-1.
Very simple here. You are not supposed to write again here, -1. What here you have to do, every time you please keep in your mind a number line. ये दिमाग में लेके आ, ये 0 है, 0.5 will be here. इसका लेफ्ट साइड फर्स्ट वन इंटीजर क्या है वो आंसर होगा, greatest integer function. Okay, so now the graph of the greatest integer function, it is written in the brackets. The function will be written in the brackets. F of x is equals to like this in the brackets will be. The graph, whenever you observe that, the result is always integer. Result is always integer. Means it's a range. What is the range of the greatest integer function? A question can be asked. Range of the greatest integer function is Set of the integers. Z. Set of the
Q.
integers. No, not Q.
Q. Oh, sorry,
No,
Z,
not
Z,
Q.
Z.
Z.
So Z, Z. Z, Z.
Set of the only integers answers you will get. Whatever you take the number. So now let us see here. This is 0. Here 1. Here 2. 3. 4. 5. Here -1. Here -2. Here -3. Here 1. 2. 3. 4. Here -1. -2. -3. If you take 0, what do you get? 0 को 0 ही आएगा. 0 को for the 0 you will get. A 0 से greater value if you take, what is the answer you will get? 0 से greater if you take, means 0. What is the answer for this 0.5? Greatest integer of 0.5.
So 0.
So 0. So 0.5 को भी 0 बोले तो यही आएगा आंसर. तो इधर से ये ऐसा मार्क करके फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर तक थिक लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. इसका ग्राफ ड्रा करने का तरीका बोल रहा हूँ. इधर से इधर तक थिक लाइन ड्रा करके, बट 1 को सर्किल मारना है. 1 का प्लेस में सर्किल देना है. बिकॉज 1 वैल्यू इज इक्वल्स टू 1, बट 1 वैल्यू इज नॉट 0 ना. if you not circle is nothing but fill up नहीं करना है, ये blank है. बट 1 के थोड़ा सा नीचे ले लो, 0.999999999 देखो 0 आएगा. बट 1 you take 0 नहीं आएगा. So this point becomes what is this point? 1,0. So for the 1 what you will get? Means the greatest integer function of the 1 is 1 only. So that is nothing but 1 का 1 बोले तो 1,1 होगा.
Yes sir.
So 1 को 1 पॉइंट करना है. So इधर मार्क करना है और इधर से स्टार्ट करके इधर तक जाके 2 को सर्किल मारना. इधर फिलअप नहीं करना है, इसको फिलअप नहीं करना, बिकॉज 2 वैल्यू इज अगेन 2 ऊपर है. इधर से स्टार्ट करके 3 तक आना है और इधर है सर्किल. डोंट ट्राई टू रिमेंबर ब्लाइंडली, यू हैव टू एनालाइज इट. If you analyze it, it is an easy task. Like this, it continues. 3 को 3 में स्टार्ट होता है और 4 तक जाएगा, इधर सर्किल. And coming to the negative points. What is the greatest integer function of the -1? Okay, let us take the first -0.5. -0.5 को -1 है. So -0.5 will be here. उसका आंसर -1 है. So ये आएगा. तो 0 का वैल्यू 0 है, इधर एक सर्किल करना है, फिलअप नहीं करना है उसको, एंड इधर से इधर तक इधर आएगा. बट -1 वैल्यू इज -1 itself, so इधर फिलअप करना. सेम फिगर यू आर गोइंग टू गेट. एंड नाउ हियर सर्किल, हियर टू हियर फिलअप करना है. नेक्स्ट हियर -2 वैल्यू इज -2. -2 से लेस देन इफ यू टेक -3 आएगा, तो इधर से इधर तक, एंड दिस यू हैव टू फिल अप. So this is the graph of the greatest integer function. Did you get my point? समझ में आया graph? Hello? Whether it is audible or not? हाँ, सुनाई दे रहे हैं? Visible है?
Yes sir.
Okay, very good. So now these are the different types of the functions we are having, and along with this, real valued function and real function, 2 different functions will be there. The main real valued function. A function is called real valued function. Its a value is real number. That is nothing but if the range of a function, if a range of the function is either real numbers or subset of real numbers. If the range of any function is real number or any subset of the real number, then that function is called as a real valued function. And real function. So which function is called as a real function? If the domain of a function is if the domain of the function is either real numbers or subset of real numbers. If the domain is either a real number or a subset of the real number, then that function is called as a real function. Domain, if it is a real number, then it is called as a real function. If the range is a real number or a subset of a real number, real value function. Okay? So these are the different types of the functions what we have learned today. Is it clear to you? Or do you have any doubt? Hello? Which one?
Sir, this one,
Real
sir,
function?
again. Sir, this function. Sir,
Real function, real
yes,
valued
sir.
function. Simple. Real
Sir, real
value
value
is
function,
nothing but
sir.
value real number होना है, or a subset of real number. That is nothing but value is nothing but range. If the range is a real number set or a subset of the real numbers, it is called a real valued function. If the domain is the real number or a subset of the real number, then it is called as a real function. That means usually whatever the functions we are going to consider, all the functions are real functions and real valued functions, because any function you take into consider, subset of real numbers only we will take into consider. Next, in the coming days, you are
Yes,
going to
sir.
learn about the complex numbers. You are going to learn about the complex numbers. Complex numbers, just like a real numbers, you are going to have the complex numbers also. And that complex numbers, whenever you take into consider. Is it clear to you? That complex numbers, that function,
Yes, sir.
if a domain or a codomain, if you are taking into consider as a means the domain and range, if you take into consider complex numbers, that functions are not called as a real functions, real value. Now, whatever functions we are going on taking, they are all real functions and real valued functions, because subset of real numbers only we will take, are real numbers only we will take. All the functions are real functions and real valued functions. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now exercise problems, let us see in the next class, tomorrow. In the tomorrow's class, let us see the exercise
Okay,
2.
sir.
Okay, you can leave the class. Isha and Vishal.